Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect TradingView to Binance. This powerful integration allows you to leverage TradingView's advanced charting and analysis tools while executing trades directly on Binance. It's a fantastic way to streamline your trading workflow, saving you valuable time and effort. We'll cover everything from initial setup to placing your first trade, ensuring a smooth experience. First, ensure you have active accounts on both TradingView and Binance. It's also crucial to complete your identity verification on Binance to unlock all trading features. Once logged into TradingView, navigate to the Trading Panel section. Here, you will find a list of supported brokers. Simply select Binance from this list to begin the connection process, moving us closer to integrated trading. The next critical step involves generating API keys on Binance. Go to your Binance account settings and create a new API key. You will receive two distinct keys, an API key and a secret key. Carefully copy both of these. Then, paste them into the corresponding fields within TradingView. Remember to set appropriate permissions, allowing trading but strictly prohibiting withdrawals for security. With your account successfully connected, you can now place buy and sell orders directly from your TradingView charts. You'll be able to monitor all your open positions, view your order history, and manage your trades efficiently using TradingView's powerful analytical tools. Always remember to regularly check your connection status to ensure everything is working correctly and securely, providing peace of mind for your trading activities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.